Hello friends, hope so all of doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Wi-Fi connection problem or Wi-Fi not working problem in Redmi Note 10s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So to fix Redmi Note 10s Wi-Fi problem, first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your Wi-Fi connection problem.